Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana daily update. We are going to see the next price targets. I have something very bearish. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what is Solana doing. So Solana eventually had another hack incident, as you all know, and it hasn't actually pumped so much like other altcoins have. For example, there are many altcoins that have done over 100% from the bottom that we had back on June, but anyway, Solana is not like them. Instead, it has followed more the Bitcoin trend. And now, where is it going? Can we go even higher, or we can eventually retest some lower support levels? We are going to find out together. First of all, we are in the weekly frame for Solana against USDT chart. This is a little bit upwards. There we go. And the most important resistance level for Solana is the 44.64. Now, if Solana can go above this line right here, then we will be going to the next price target, which might be even the 62 USDT. However, right now for Solana, the most probable scenario it is that we correct even more. I will explain why. First of all, let's go to Solana against Bitcoin chart. Right here, you can see that Solana against Bitcoin has found rejection to the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving average. I'm expecting a more correction coming in for Solana against Bitcoin chart. And you can see that we also found a rejection towards this line right here, the 0.20s 18, 9 and 3. Okay, so we found rejection right here. We might be getting even further down in the weekly frame. So we are going to get further down right here, possibly going to retest maybe the lower levels of the 0.20s 15,348. I have some more support levels for Solana. Let's draw the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, and you can see that we might be finding support pressure right here, but I think that the correction will be more during the next coming weeks, and we are going down to the 0.20s 15,138, the support level that we had before, and the 0.20s 14,024. Okay, once we go down there, we will see what we are able to do. In the meantime, what are we having right now is that we are, for Solana against Bitcoin chart, a little bit bearish, up to the maximum of bearish. Okay, and I would say that you should be very careful. For Solana against USDT chart right here, the 44.64 serves as a very huge resistance level. I'm seeing also a possible bearish flag occurring for Solana, but I'm not a fan of the patterns right there, so I'm not going to point that so much out. Anyway, for me personally, the most bearish scenario it is that actually for me the most bearish thing that Solana has done, it is that right now the 44.64. Look at this level right here. The 44.64 is a very huge resistance level coming in for Solana in the weekly frame, and we got rejected. I will be going on the daily frame, though on the daily frame we are holding the bottom trend line. You can see the bottom trend line coming in from this bottom right here all the way up, and you will see that we are actually finding good support pressure towards the bottom trend line, towards this bottom trend line that we are having some good, nice buying pressure coming in from Solana. However, I will be telling you something. The case right now is that we are not absolutely bullish. Many would argue that we are not forming a bearish flag. Instead, what we are forming is a bullish pennant. Okay? Can this not be a bullish pennant? Why not? We had an uptrend, we are having higher lows, lower highs, we could have a bullish pennant, right? Yeah, but at the end of the day, I think that Solana is not as strong as we are thinking that it is. And right now, the 44.64 will serve as a resistance level for the next few weeks to come, okay? Especially on the daily frame rate here, that we are having the Solana pumping up plus 6% due to the fact that BTC is very strong. And actually look at that, it is finding some support pressure right here in the very low time frames, but at the end of the day, BTC right now we need to see further confirmation coming in from BTC as well in order to say that we are definitely bullish. Anyway, I'm not expecting something spectacular out of BTC. I'm not expecting something, though, crazy out of Solana against USDT chart. We can have maybe a little bit more pump during the next 1 to 2 days. Okay, especially I think that if we can close above the 40, around there, the 40 to 40.54, yeah, that's right, then we can go to 42. Okay, we can retest the 42.08. Okay, but at the end of the day, we have one more, the 44.25, in which it will take some time until we achieve to this target. I think 42.08 is a huge resistance level in the weekly frame as well, and on the daily frame that we might not manage to close above the 42.08, and therefore we might be going down more. Anyway, I want to see further price action for Solana, but overall, I think that in the next few weeks, Solana is bearish, and for the next few hours to the next few days, it is going to depend a lot on Bitcoin chart. I'm not thinking that Solana is bullish for now. Even on the 4-hour frame, I'm not seeing any signs of huge strength coming in for Solana and for BTC chart as well. Although we had made a nice progress rate here, I think that we are going to correct more with Bitcoin. Therefore, we are going to go down to the 22.6k, 22.7k, this support line right here. This will bring down Solana against USDT and other altcoins as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Be careful about the next weeks if you are a long-term investor right there, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.